not like the smell of that one. I love you so much. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. What are you doing? Let's try it again. Okay. Oh, I'm done.
My dog won't love me anymore. He hates me. He's out of here.